solve 2 to the power 2k plus 10 equals 3 to the power k plus 5. Let's look at the solution together. So we have been given 2 to the power 2k plus 10 equals 3 to the power k plus 5. The first thing we do here is that since I have 2k plus 10 to a single base 2, we can rewrite this as 2 to the power 2k multiplied by 2 to the power 10. For the right hand side as well, 3 to the power k multiplied by 3 to the power 5. We are doing this because if you have a raised to the power m plus n, it's as a result of a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. So from this, we are rewriting this. From here, we have 2 to the power 2k, have 2 to the power 10, 3 to the power k, 3 to the power 5. From here, we can eliminate 2 to the power 10 at this side. So we divide here by 2 to the power 10. Then it must be down to both sides, 2 to the power 10. Then what is left here? So I have 2 to the power 2k is equal to 3 to the power k multiplied by 3 to the power 5 all over 2 to the power 10. Now we are doing all of this so that we get the variable to one side of the equation. So I have k here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to divide again so that we move the k on the right hand side to the left hand side. And how do we do that? We divide through by 3k. So here we divide through by 3 to the power k. Dividing this by 3 to the power k means I have 2 to the power 2k all over 3 to the power k. Then equal to, I have 3 to the power k here. Then multiply by 3 to the power 5 all over 2 to the power 10, then multiply by 3 to the power k. Now we are getting this multiplication as a result of, if I take 3 to the power k multiply by 3 to the power 5 all over 2 to the power 10. We said we are dividing through by 3k, so we are supposed to divide through by this 3k. Now as a result of this division here, we are going to change this to multiplication and take the reciprocal of the fraction here, which will now become 3k multiplied by 3 to the power 5 over 2 to the power 10 times 1 over 3 to the power k. So this gives us the result we are seeing over here. From this 3k, we take care of this 3k here, leaving 2 to the power 2k over 3 to the power k is equal to 3 to the power 5 over 2 to the power 10. So this 3k has cancelled this 3k here. From this is the same as writing 2 to the power 2 all to the power k over 3k is equal to 3 to the power 5 all over. This is also the same as writing 2 to the power 2 times 5. So we have simplified the 10 to give us 2 times 5. From this, 2 to the power 2, this one give us 4k over 3k is equal to 3 to the power 5. This can also be written as 2 to the power 2 all to the power 5. From here, I have 4 to the power k over 3 to the power k. They are having the same powers, which can be written as 4 over 3 all to the power k equals 3 to the power 5 all over 2 squared will give us 4 to the power 5. So just like we did for the left hand side, the right hand side also has the same powers, which can be written as 4 over 3 all to the power k is equal to 3 over 4 all to the power 5. Now from here what can we see? You can see that at the left hand side I have 4 to the power 3, 4 over 3. At the right hand side I have 3 over 4. It's just the inverse of 1. 1 is the direct inverse of the other. One of the basic laws of indices says that if I have a number to the power negative index, this is the same as taking the reciprocal of this, which now becomes 1 over a to the power positive index. In short, if I have a over m to a power negative m, what can we do? We can rewrite this as m over a to the power positive index. As a result of taking the reciprocal of the fractions here, we take off the negative here, leaving a positive index here. This can be applied here to give us 4 over 3 all to the power k is equal to 4 over 3 all to the power minus 5. What can we see? On the left hand side I have a base of 4 over 3. On the right hand side I have a base of another 4 over 3. Now the base here is equal to the base here, so we can conclude that our k is equal to negative 5. See you on the next episode. Goodbye.